Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a product review on a Kyoku 5-piece Japanese steel chef knives with block. Alright guys, the nice people at Kyoku sent me this nice set of high quality Japanese steel chef knives to review. And I'm going to start out with the block. This is a solid wood, high quality knife block that isn't cheap. And in here you have your knives, and they're well packed, just a sturdy box, and you get these little foam inserts to hold the knife in place. With it you get the website about them, and if you're not satisfied, you get another little booklet with information about the different knives that they sell. They don't sell just this chef knife set. They asked me what I want and I requested this. And I'll put a link in the description bar where you can buy these and a savings code that you can apply to when you're buying to save some money. Okay, now let me go over the size of the knives. This is an 8-inch chef knife, and we'll look at them a little closer, guys. This here is a 8-inch bread knife, and guys, these are really high quality. I can tell just by looking at them. This here is a 6.5-inch carving knife. I mean, look at that, guys. This here's a 5-inch utility knife. Now, when they say utility, I don't mean for like cutting wires, which you could use it for that. But that's, for everything you do around the kitchen. And then this here is a 3.5-inch paring knife. And like I said, these are made of premium Japanese steel. Now, let me get them out of here. I'll wash one up and we'll cut some vegetables and see how they work. Guys, for today's meal, I'm going to use the 8-inch chef's knife. And I want to point out to you, this is also Japanese steel, the handle, but it has a simulated wood. And on the end of the knife, it has the name of the company and a Japanese symbol on there. I don't know what it means, but I don't know if you can see that. And these are pretty well weighted knives, heavy duty knives, and the kids aren't allowed to use these. Now if you buy a set, and I hope you do because they are really nice knives, don't put them in the dishwasher, wash them by hand because that ruins them. So I have a red bell pepper here. And you can see that knife just eases right through that bell pepper. I mean, I'm just barely touching it, and that knife's going through there. And what I'm going to throw together here quick, guys, I'm going to do a quick breakfast type dish for supper. It's going to be like a breakfast mess, and I'll let you guys watch me prepare the meal. That way this isn't just a 2-minute video. And like I said, for these knives, guys, I'll put a link down in the description bar where you can buy them, and with a savings code to save you some money. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and dice up my peppers. Now you see here, guys, right through it. I'm barely using any pressure. And this outfit here on Amazon, they're selling for about $95, which is well worth it for a good quality knife set with a heavy duty block. Because you can go to Walmart and you can buy them cheap ones for about $70, and they're just not going to do the job. These are, guys. I mean, well weighted knife, really works nice. I'm pleased with it. Now I'm going to do the rest of my bell pepper. And I'm using a red bell pepper, guys, because that's going to add a little more color to our dish. Alright, now that I have my bell pepper just about all sliced up, I'm going to transfer this over to a plate. We're going to do some onion. And I have 2 yellow onions here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them up. Alright guys, let's give this a go. It just effortlessly cut right into the onion. Now guys, I'm no trained chef, but if you're really good with a knife, these knives would be your best friend. Alright guys, now that I have my onion all cut up, I'm going to set that aside and we're going to move on with the dish. Alright guys, now I have a skillet here heated up. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. Turn my heat down just a little bit. And I'm going to get those peppers and onions in that I diced up. And I turn my heat down, guys. You can hear them crackling. And I'm just going to saute these just for a few minutes till they start to soften up. Alright, now that my peppers and onions are softened up, I have a pound of breakfast sausage here. This is just regular. If you like the nice maple flavor, you get maple flavored sausage. I couldn't think about that for a second, guys. I'm going to get this down here and break it up and start this to fry. Alright guys, while my sausage browns up, I nuked a few potatoes in the microwave to start to soften them. I'm going to use that utility knife I showed you, and I'm just going to dice these potatoes up. Now these potatoes are still a little on the hard side. I don't want them too mushy. I'm going to dice them up. I'm going to get them in with the sausage, peppers, and onions, and I'm going to season up with salt and pepper. Guys, off camera I already added some crisped up bacon into our country mess, and I went ahead and fried up some country fresh sunny side up eggs. I'll get in here and try this, guys. And you see, the best part is when that dippy runs over there. It's really delicious, guys. That's really good. Alright guys, the Kyoku knives got an A+ with me. They're really well balanced knives, high quality. I'll put that link down in the description bar where you can buy them and the discount savings code. Till next time guys, I'll see you.